So today I received a package from Amazon and I found a Node MCU. So today we are going to make a home automation project. So let's just jump into it. Now to control the lighting, I am going to use the Blink IoT app. Now open the app and click on new project. Then select the proper board, that is Node MCU, and then click on OK. Now type the project name as Smart Home and then create the project. Now click on the add icon and select a button. Then increase the size of the button and click on the button once again for the setting. Then select the pin as B1 and slide it to switch and then write the values as 0 for on and 1 for off. And then you can also change the color and the text size for the buttons. And now here our mobile programming part for controlling the light is done. Now let's get on to the PC. So first connect the Node MCU to the PC and then come on the desktop and open Arduino IDE. Make sure that you have already installed the libraries of ESP8266 and Blink. So it will make easier for writing the code and uploading it to the Node MCU. And now for the code, click on File, then Examples, then scroll down and select the Blink. Now inside Blink, select Board Wi-Fi and then search for Node MCU. And there we go, here's the program we require. So before uploading the program, you need to change the author token sent by Blink, the SSID name and SSID password of your mobile hotspot, and make sure you have a nice internet connection so that you do not find any delay in the program. Now let's quickly open the Google Chrome and take our author token and paste it inside the Arduino IDE. So after copying the author token, this is the place where you need to paste the author token, below which you can see your network name and your network password, where you need to write your hotspot name and password. After writing the hotspot name and password, our program is good to be uploaded. Now let's meet after uploading the program. Now the hard part, circuit. So connect the V-in and GND pin of the Node MCU with the positive and negative terminal of a 5V charger respectively, after which you need to connect the positive and negative terminal of a 5V mobile charger with the positive and negative terminal of a 5V relay. Then connect the signal wire of the 5V relay to the D1 pin of the Node MCU board for the signal output. Then after building all this circuit, we are good to go for testing it. Now it it is connected with my mobile and it works perfectly. So let's give it a little bit more try. So it works perfectly. It's time to enjoy the reveal. See you the next time. Till then, bye.